Okay. Tree. Yeah. Okay, welcome. Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium.
Where are you
Yeah.
from?
I'm Thai.
You're
I'm
Thai.
I'm street photographer.
Okay.
I'm go around Thailand and taking a
Okay.
tourist photo.
Photo harvest.
Yes,
Geely.
and
Okay.
all for free.
Great. Photo harvest.
Can I get a photo of your
Yes.
family?
Yes, you can.
Tree. Have a look.
Yes. Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Have a look.
Wow.
We will see on
Okay.
On your
Next
account?
Instagram.
Yeah.
You,
And how about your trip?
No, we
to-
go next to Sukhothai.
and then Chiang Mai, Shanghai, and then Laos, and then Cambodia.
Do you want the sunset side?
With
Yes.
the photo.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Regardez.
Wow.
Here is your family moment.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Wow.
very much.
Oh, gee, that's so,
kind of you.
kind.
Thank you.
Okay.
Really, really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณ
ข
ค่ะ
อบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay.
Wow, kapunka.
Okay.
Thank you very
What,
much.
what's
Thank
written
you.
here?
Thai word. It means the land of smile.
The land
Yeah,
of the smile.
Thailand is the land of
Yeah,
smile.
that's true.
Yeah.
La Thaïlande, c'est le pays du sourire.
Thank you. Have a good trip.